Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to download and install the Holland America app. So let's get started. So here you will just go to at your Play Store. So if you're Apple user, you can directly go to the Apple Store. So at the top section, you can see there is a search bar written as your apps and games. You have to click there. So from there, you have to search for the app. Then here we can see the app. Okay, Holland America, the line navigator. Okay, so you can just directly install it from here. Click on the install button and it will be installed within a minute. Okay, like this. You can check for the update at the downside also and for the ratings. So if you find this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe and share the video. Thank you for watching.